What are the best Bible apps to use for helping you with your devotional time? Today, we want to look at 4 great Bible apps to help you with Bible study. And the best part is that they are all free. Coming up. Hey guys, it's Reynaldo Ramos with Vine Media, and we want to help growing Christians get closer to Jesus. If you're new here, we make weekly videos to help you in your walk with Christ, and we would love for you to subscribe, and we would also love if you would hit that notification button to join the Vine Media community. Now let's jump in. The first app I want to look at is one of the most popular Bible apps out there. Chances are you already have it downloaded on your phone or any of your other mobile devices. It's the YouVersion Bible app. Now, there are a number of reasons I love this app, but let me just give you a few to highlight. First of all, if you're a type of person that loves to connect with other people, there's a social aspect to this app that's really cool. The social aspect allows you to read the Bibles with others. It allows you to connect and interact with other people through prayer requests and a bunch of different features that it has. Another thing that I love about this app is the array of different Bible reading plans that they offer. I mean, they have plans based on topics or themes, and any topic or theme that you can think of. And you can search for plans based on the moment or the season that you are in your life at this moment. They have plans on marriage, on dating. They have plans on leadership and prayer and worship. You get the idea. A bunch of plans for whatever you need at this moment. The app also has a great selection of different Bible translations that you can choose from and study. And it's also really clean and just really beautiful to look at. The next app is an app called Read Scripture. Now, Read Scripture is a great Bible app that helps you study the Scripture and see it as a meta-narrative. That is, to see the bigger picture of what is going on in Scripture. One of the great aspects about this app is their connection and link to Bible Project videos. Now, these videos are hand-illustrated Bible videos that help you understand biblical concepts. These videos in and of themselves are an amazing resource, and they help you contextualize exactly what you are reading. The other thing about this app is that it just has a really natural reading flow, and it is just aesthetically pleasing to look at. I love Read Scripture Bible app. The third app I want to share is called Bible Map. This app is amazing for anyone who's interested in discovering and imagining biblical location references. You can search for biblical locations while you're reading the scripture. So if you're in Acts or in Exodus and there's locations mentioned in that particular chapter of the Bible, it connects it to the locations of the physical maps, and there you can find more information about that particular place. And so you could also see pictures of the place. You can have geographical information, and the Bible just really comes to life for you. Additionally, there are also artifact pictures and information that helps support the story of the Bible. So if you're reading something in particular and there was an artifact that was discovered, it will also be linked right there, and you can just dive a little bit deeper into what you are studying. Now, the fourth and final app is called Blue Letter Bible. This app is a bit more advanced than the others in both function and content, but this is an app that is super beneficial, especially if you don't have any of these types of resources in your own library. One of the great aspects of this app is the interlinear tool. This is simply a tool that lays out the Greek and or the Hebrew words that are linked to our English Bible. With that, you can do deeper word studies in the original languages of the Bible. Now, I will say with this app, this is not an exhaustive resource of everything Greek or everything Hebrew, but this is a great starting point. So what you can do is click on the verse and then click on a Greek or Hebrew word, and you get a deeper understanding and a deeper definition of what that word means in the original language. You also get other places in Scripture where that particular word is used in the original language. Great app for deeper Bible study for your personal use. So there you have it, 4 great free Bible apps. If you got any value from this video, please click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, let us know in the comments if there are any apps that we miss, maybe apps that you use personally that you would like to share with us. We want to know what your go-to apps for studying the scriptures are. And if you want to check out more helpful videos and just get better maybe at studying the Bible and getting closer to Jesus, don't forget to check out our other content and our other playlist. We will see you next time.